Hey everyone, in this video I'll guide you through the full process of setting up your Sumup card reader for 2025. Whether you are just getting started or upgrading your setup, this guide will make it quick and easy. So let's get into it. First thing first, unbox your Sumup card reader and make sure it's fully charged. This will help avoid any connection issues during the setup. Next, download the Sumup app from the App Store or Google Play Store if you haven't already. This app is essential for connecting your card reader and managing your sales. Now open the Sumup and log into your account. If you are new, you will need to create an account first. Then tap account or settings depending on your app version. Select card readers and then tap connect card reader. Make sure your Bluetooth is enabled, then select your Sumup device from the list of available devices. Follow the on-screen instruction to complete the pairing process. You may be asked to enter a pairing code which will appear on your card reader. Once connected, perform a quick test transaction to ensure your device is working correctly. Once your card reader is paired and tested, you are all set to start accepting payments. Simply open the app, select your product and enter an amount. And tap the card reader icon to begin transaction. Make sure that your card reader's firmware is up to date for the best performance. Keep your app updated to access the latest features and security patches. And that's it. Your Sumup card reader is ready for action. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more quick guides.